We'll be looking at the Lippert Solid Step operation. So first, if there isn't a lend a hand, you'll open up the handle. Then if the door is unlocked, which this one is, you'll open up the door and secure the door. Some of the doors are magnetically kept.
This one's got the friction hinges.
Oh, friction hinges. Then you're going to release the handle mechanism to drop down the steps. And this is a Lippert Solid Step. Next, you're going to step on the steps on both sides to make sure that they make solid contact on the ground. Now, if the ground is not level, here's how you would adjust the step pin. So this is a clevis pin. And let me see the clevis pin. This is a clevis pin. And you see how it has the D spring-loaded piece in the end of it? That's what keeps the pin from popping out. And this is how you would adjust the leg on it. So if the ground was not level and it was improperly adjusted, then you would have a situation of it not being solid.
Yeah, here I'll flip it to being out of level.
Yeah. So now we're going to demonstrate the solid step being out of level.
In the wrong position as well, this small hole is what it's made to catch in. If you put it in these wrong ones, it gives it room to move, so you need to make sure you're putting it in the small one.
Oh, that's a good point.
Mm-hmm.
So going back over that, if the clevis pin needs to be installed in this hole, if it's installed in this hole, then it's going to have room of travel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this would be an example of a step that's loose.
So obviously you wouldn't.
Yeah, obviously you wouldn't step on that going up. So depending upon the situation, if it was just a minor out of adjustment, would still cause an unstable situation. Or again, if that clevis pin was installed within this notch right here,
Or upside down.
or upside down. If it was installed upside down, it potentially could come out. Now, for some reason, if these steps, I'm not sure if this unit was new or used because we didn't get the chance to see it, or at the time of the incident. So if the holes are walled out on the aluminum, like if it fell and dropped, or if the pin was not the correct pin, typically these pins are put in so that the head is on the top. You would not put them in from the bottom up because that would give danger of it falling out and dropping out. And that completes our demonstration of how to open and close and adjust the Lippert Solid Steps.